In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website from GoDaddy Website Builder. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what this process actually does. Deleting a website builder site in GoDaddy is done by canceling the website builder plan tied to that site. When you cancel the plan, the site is unpublished and its content is scheduled for removal, so make sure you've saved anything you want to keep. You can copy text, download images, or take screenshots as a simple backup. Also note that your domain name, if you have one, is separate and won't be deleted by this process. Start on your GoDaddy dashboard. In the top right corner, click the profile icon to open your account menu. This opens a quick path to the pages where your products and billing live, which is where the website builder subscription is managed. From that menu, choose Renewals and Billing. This takes you to a list of your active and upcoming products along with their billing status. Give the page a second to load fully, so all of your subscriptions appear. Next, click Manage Subscriptions. This focuses the view on your paid plans, including Website Builder. If you manage multiple sites or products, this page helps you see them in one place. Now locate the Website Builder site you want to remove and select it. Take a moment here to double-check you have the correct project. Verify the site name and, if applicable, the domain that's associated with it. If you have many entries, use the search or filters on the page to narrow it down. Confirming the right site prevents accidental cancellations on other projects you intend to keep. With the correct site selected, click Cancel Plan. GoDaddy may prompt you with a confirmation screen, which can include a brief survey or a choice about when to cancel. Read the options carefully. In some cases, you can cancel immediately. In others, cancellation occurs at the end of the current billing period. Refunds or credits, if any, are handled based on GoDaddy's current policy, which you can review in that prompt. When you're sure, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, look for an on-screen success message and, typically, a confirmation email. The site will be unpublished, and the subscription status will change to reflect the cancellation. If the site still appears live for a short while, try refreshing, clearing your cache, or checking from a private browser window, as DNS and caching can briefly delay what you see. That's it. You've removed the site by canceling its website builder plan. Remember, your domain stays active unless you manage it separately, so you can point it elsewhere whenever you're ready.